One of my absolute favorite things about today was we got to have one of our wonderful longtime patients came back. She had some heart issues, and she was able to come back. Her daughter brought her in, and after her first new adjustment, her daughter said she slept through the night, and it made me so happy to know that even after one treatment, she was able to get a good night's rest that she hadn't had in close to a year, and it truly just made my day, and I feel so happy for her.